Hi everyone, this is Praktis Sumatif, paper 2, question number 4. By using the calculus method, we have to show the steps to determine the value of 9.02. So we look at this, and 9.02 raised up to the power of negative half. So we look at the number that is decimal number. We have to link it with the application of differentiation under the approximation. Okay, we just need to approximate the value. So in this case, we let y be 9.02 raised up to the power of negative half. Okay, so I will call this y the new y because I'm going to define the original y to be 9 to the power of negative half. Okay, so this is a specific value, which means generally I can use the equation y equals to x raised up to the power of negative half, whereby x from 9, I will change it to 9.02. Therefore, in between, it involves the delta x. That means there's very small changes in x, which is 0.02. Okay, so I'm going to use the delta x, del y by del x to find this. So before that, we have to find the differentiation of y with respect to x. We have negative half, x to the power of negative half minus 1. So we have negative 3 over 2. Okay, and therefore, when x equals to 9, our dy dx will equals to negative half. Now, the x can be written, the 9 can be written as 3 squared. So when we raise up to the power negative 3 over 2, we can simplify the index. So now we have negative 1 over 2 times 3 to the power of 3, 27. So we have negative 1 over 54 for dy dx. So now let's find the delta y. Okay, we know that delta y by delta x is approximately equivalent to dy dx. And now we want to find the delta y. Okay, so from x equals to 9, the dy dx is negative 1 over 54 times with the delta x, that is 0.02. So from here, our delta y will be, okay, now I try to write it in fraction mode. Okay, negative 1 over 2,700. All right, now, but our objective is to determine the value of this. That means we are looking for the value of the new y. So we shall take the new y to equalize to the original y plus with the delta y. Okay, therefore the original y is 9 and raised up to the power negative half. That means it is 1 over 9 and square root. So plus with a negative, so minus 1 over 2,700. So this one would be 1 over 3 minus 1 over 2,700. So over here, isn't it, we multiply with 900? Yeah, 900 minus 1, we have 899 over 2,700. Okay, I will leave my answer in fraction form because it is the exact value rather than change to decimal and round it off to the nearest value. So I just leave my answer in the exact value. Okay, that's it for question number 4.